Today's my birthday, so I thought I'd do a what I got for my birthday with all of you guys. When you're watching this, it obviously won't be my birthday anymore, but the best birthday gift you could give me would be to share my video, your favorite one, with a friend or family member as I continue to try and grow my channel. So thank you in advance. And of course, we do the usual disclaimers. This is in no way to show off or anything of that sort. But I just thought it'd be a fun, cute little video to show you all the little things that my family and friends spoiled me with this year. First of all, how stunning is this dress? My family did a little surprise birthday dinner for me and they surprised me with a little birthday dress because I was not dressed up and I was not prepared. Obviously, it was a surprise, but this dress is absolutely stunning and I can't wait to wear it to like other parties and dinners. But so stunning and so me as well. So cute. But this was the first gift, I guess, on the list. And it's very me. I wore it to my dinner, took so many pictures in it because I felt so good in it. And I've never received so many compliments in my life. When I say walking around Canary Wharf, over 20 people complimented me on this look. So I felt very good. I know we've been saying for a while that the color butter yellow is trending, but butter yellow and this pale yellow color is seriously trending. Like I've been seeing so many pieces in this color and I think I want all my basics, or well, not all my basics, but I want variations of basics in this color because it is so nice. Like it's different from a stark white, which I like, and then it's not quite a cream. So I don't know. I really love this color and I feel like it complements my skin tone nicely as well. This was the first thing I opened up because I was very excited to wear it. And yeah, I just love this color. I want it in a short sleeve. I want it in a tank top as well because I think this is going to be my color for the summer. It's so easy, and I think sometimes white is too white and then cream doesn't have enough variation from white. So this is like the perfect neutral kind of color. Love it. Some ASMR for you. Next is this seamless jumpsuit. When I say I love a good basic, I love a good basic because basics are just perfect for building an outfit on top of. And this I love. This jumpsuit is from Pretty Little Thing and it's in their seamless kind of material. I wish you could feel it because it's quite thick. And this is called the Black Sculpt Short Sleeved Unitard. And I like that it doesn't have any breaking points on the body. Like it's just one whole thing. And it's quite thick, which is nice. And I like a short sleeve as well. And these are great because obviously you can wear them in and of themselves as a full body unitard. You can wear them with like jeans on top. So it's like a nice seamless bodysuit, that kind of thing. And I just really like these all-in-one jumpsuits. I had a long sleeved one that was a turtleneck, but I didn't like how high the neck was. So I'm glad I have this short sleeve version with more of a rounded mock neck, which I really like that silhouette on myself. And I think you could also flip it around and then wear it with the zip slightly slipped down. I think that would look cool. I got this in a size 8 and I'm going to try it on, but I think it should be true to size because it does have it has a good amount of stretch to it, but I feel like it will snatch you in nicely. Next we have this grey cardigan. Which I think you're sensing the theme here. So far, it's kind of given elevated basics, which is what I'm wanting because I feel like I have really cool pieces in my wardrobe, but I kind of wanted nice basics like the butter yellow color, like the unitard. And this, I love the asymmetric detail on it. Just a nice, simple cardigan. This is called the Grey Mile button-up long sleeve top. But I just really liked this button detail on the side and I like the basic grey color. This I got in a size 10 because I was worried the buttons would gape if I got it in a size 8. So because I'm kind of in between size, but I'm obviously full of busted, so I didn't want it to have gaps when I wore it. I'd rather it be a bit slouchy than too tight. But very cute. Very nice, slightly thick. Might be too warm for summer, but I feel like you could wear it as a cardigan, and then obviously you can wear it as a shirt with a few buttons buttoned up. Or you could wear it, yeah, completely open, like a normal cardigan that's kind of cool and asymmetric, which I like. I like versatile pieces, and this is definitely going to be something I think I get a lot of wear out of. Okay, first let's do this. Oh, these puff heart earrings. I have a puff heart necklace in silver, and I don't wear a lot of silver, but I do want to add more silver pieces to my collection, so these are going to look very cute. I'm excited to get a wear out of all of this. And then I asked for these bow earrings in gold, and these I really wanted because I want to wear them in my helix piercings, so it just looks like a little bow hanging down. I think that's going to look so cute with like just a nice updo, my hair out of my face, or in the summertime as well. I feel like that's going to be such a nice touch to an outfit. And this, when I say this is the piece I was most excited to receive, because it is so me. Like, I know I'm going to get a lot of wow or something, or I know I'm going to love something when I'm scrolling, whether it be online, like Vinted, or whether it be on ASOS, and I audibly gasp. This, I gasped when I saw it, and I'm so glad that my friends got it for me. Guys, have you seen anything cuter? I told you guys I am going to be a bubble hem skirt girl for the summertime, and this skirt is in denim. Pure perfection. Like, my friends literally went above and beyond. All of those were from a group of my sixth form friends, and they literally got me too much. Like, I would have been over the moon with just this skirt, but I'm so happy with every single piece that they got me. So if you guys watch this video, then thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you, and I'm excited to wear all these pieces. Now we'll move on to the gifts from my family. My sister got me this NYX or NYX PMU Worth the Hype Black Volume 2 mascara. I've never tried it before, but I was needing a new mascara. I normally use like a Maybelline one, which is quite like natural, which I like, but I definitely want to, try different mascaras and see which ones I like, because I do like my lashes looking full and volumized as well. Almost when you have the lash look without wearing lashes, that's what I like. So I will be trying this out. Then we have some more jewelry pieces, the bow earrings, but in silver. I actually sent my siblings both colors, so it worked out perfectly that my friends got me the gold and then my siblings got me the silver version, which again I love, and I think I'm gonna just wear the helix and the bottom lobes. I think that will look very cute with my ears just stacked in bows. Then I have this two-toned bracelet. I love gold and silver jewelry, so a 2-in-1 is just perfection. This is going to look so cute, and I definitely like building up my jewelry collection. I like unique pieces, as you can probably tell, and I just like the mix of the colors. I think that's just a fun, cute bracelet. Kind of to match that swirly vibe, we have this swirled necklace in gold. I need to definitely wear more jewelry pieces on my neck, so more chunky necklaces. I tend to go more dainty as opposed to like statement necklaces, but I definitely want to try more statement necklaces, and I think this paired with that bracelet will look very good together. And my family, of course, get me a card every year. I thought this one was quite special. I love the message on it. It says, "A birthday blessing especially for you. God is your strength. His ways are sure. Wisdom, his ways are right. Joy, his ways are good. Provider, his ways are the best." And that is very true and very beautiful. And I feel like sometimes we need a nice reminder on days like this. So, very cute card. And guys, when I say this gift, I am in absolute shock. I don't know if I've put it up yet, but if I've put up my TK Maxx shopping in Lee's short, you would have seen me pick up this bag and say how much I loved it. But I ended up leaving it behind. And my mum somehow managed to buy it without me realizing from Leeds. and she surprised me with it. And it is a Rodo bag. This brand I've come across recently and I love their pieces, but this has to be one of the cutest bags I have ever seen in my life. It is literally shaped like a dumpling. So cute. And the way it opens, like a dumpling. I think this is the cutest bag. I just love statement bags and statement pieces, and I love adding cool and unique bags to my collection. So my newest addition, and definitely one of my favorites. Last but certainly not least, I mentioned this brand in my summer trends video, and I said how much I wanted this skirt, and my mum managed to get it for me. If you don't know about this brand, Ezima, on Instagram, then you definitely need to check them out. They have some of the coolest pieces I have ever come across, and I've been wanting this skirt, and I finally have it. Tell me if this is not one of the most beautiful skirts you have seen in your entire life. Look at those beads. Look at the braiding on the strings. I am literally so excited to wear this skirt. I think it's so pretty. I love olive tones, as you may know, and I just love a puffball skirt. And I think puffball skirts are gonna be here all summer or holiday. Like on holiday, it would look so good as well. Imagine this with like a little cute bikini top. I'm so excited to wear this, and the denim one as well. To everyone who wished me a happy birthday, thank you to everyone who celebrated my birthday with me, whether it be through a gift, whether it be through dinner, or whether it be through sharing a video with a friend or family. I truly appreciate every single one of you, and I feel so blessed. So thank you. If you did enjoy this video, then like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.